morning it's soon and mine. Thoughts come to me and fade away. Custom dreams I've always had. I'll take it apart.
Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1966 Chevy 2 Nova. This one here has a 350 under the hood. Should be a good running and driving car. Just did the walk around, so check it out, point out all the flaws all the way around the car. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. If you like the music at the beginning of the video, jump on over to Southgate Production. You can subscribe to that channel as well. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Kind of check the interior out before we take off here. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Everything's nice and clean in here. The seats are in good condition. These little panels in the back corner, I believe they need to be replaced on both sides. Just kind of bubbly and fabric's coming off of them. Headliner's not in bad shape. Let's go ahead and start her up. Starts out pretty good. The motor's already warm from the walk around video. The air does blow, no AC. Showing 89,000 miles. It's a 66 model, guys. I don't think that's true. Wipers do work. Horn. Okay, let's go. All right, getting ready to take off, go down the road. Anything that I see, I will let you know. This car here does not have seatbelts in it. It's something you'll have to add. No power steering on this one, but your oversized steering wheel helps out a lot. You can still kind of turn it. A little tough, but power steering isn't much to add. Clutch is letting out about halfway. Just kind of checking it out, feeling everything out here. Seat feels like I'm kind of leaning a little bit. You know how the Mustang seats used to do, where they'd brake on the back corner? This one's definitely leaning a little bit. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. Signals are popping up on the dash here on both sides. Idle feels like it's up a little bit. I don't know if that choke's cutting on and off. Kind of what it feels like. Jump back up. Cut off just then. Oh yeah. Brakes feel good on this one. We're gonna pull off in this parking lot in third gear apparently. And I'm gonna do some drive-by shots. All my gear is below in the description, so you know exactly what I'm using. Put a heavier spring on this throttle when I get back. Try to pull it back. Let's see something. I don't know. We're gonna get some drive-by shots, guys. Alright, got y'all back in the driver's seat. We're gonna head on down the road. I did notice the emergency brake is not working on this one. That'll have to be replaced. Push that too far there. If you push it too far, it makes a little grinding noise. Turn on this road, it's got the speed bump in it. Suspension doesn't feel too bad on this one, so it should be fine. Probably won't notice. We even went over that speed bump. Right here. Waiting on this red light here. Here we go. All right, we've made it back to the lot. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. Hopefully this video give you enough advice about the car for you to make your purchase. Appreciate y'all riding. Thanks again. Guys, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, financing options, shipping, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. If you have any other questions, give me a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to talk with you. And if you like the music at the beginning of this video, I started another page. It's called Southgate Production. Slide on over, check it out. If you like it, hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate y'all watching. We do have all of our inventory on maplemotors.com, so go check that out as well. Walk around videos located in the last 30 seconds of every video I make. Y'all have a good one. Thanks again, guys.